Hello everyone. In this video, I will be explaining the step-by-step process of becoming a Chartered Accountant of India. The day when you start till you become a ICAI member. I will cover who are eligible to become CA, the 3 levels of CA course, practical training and articleship, self-placed online module, and finally becoming a member of ICAI. In this video, I will be focusing only on the process and steps to become a chartered accountant, but not covering any strategies and tips for study. Let's get started. Let's have a big picture. I will cover the whole in a one sequence. First, you will enter in the foundation, then intermediate. Third is your IT and soft skill training. Then you will complete your 2 years of articleship. After then, you have to complete your advanced IT training and soft skill, self-placed online module. Then you will appear in CA final. And finally, you become a member of ICAI. Let's start with the step 1. Who can do CA? Students are eligible to register for CA Foundation after clearing their 10th exam. But they can go for the CA exam once they have completed their 12th exam. So means they can study 2 years for CA Foundation. There, from the registration date till the exam date, there should be 4 months of study period. That means if you register early, then their 4 months will be covered and then you can appear for the CA exam immediately after appearing from the 12th standard. CA Foundation exams are there in 3 times in whole year. May, that is after just completing their 12th exam, then September, and then January. The 3 attempts will be given to appear for CA Foundation. Let's talk about the subjects which are covered in CA Foundation. There are 4 subjects. One is accounts, one is business law, third is your maths and quantitative aptitude, and fourth is your business economics. 2 subjects, maths and economics, are objective, but first 2 subjects, which is law and accounts, are subjective. There is negative marking in MCQ type of question paper. So passing requirement in CA Foundation is minimum 40% marks in each paper and minimum 50% marks in aggregate in every attempt. Now let's talk about the second level, that is CA Intermediate. We can enter into CA Intermediate by 2 routes. One is a foundation route and second is a direct entry route. Let's talk about foundation route. The student who has appeared and cleared the 12th exam, also appeared and cleared their foundation exam, directly can register for CA Intermediate. But if we talk about the direct entry route, the student must have completed their graduations or post-graduation with a minimum required marks, which is required by ICAI, can register directly into the CA Intermediate by skipping the foundation route. CA Intermediate exams held 3 times in a year. Again, first is January, second is May, and third is September. There should be a minimum study period of 8 months from the date of registration. So this means once you have cleared foundation, immediately register for the CA Inter so that 8-month study period will be counted, and then you can easily appear for CA Intermediate paper. Now let's talk about the CA Intermediate subjects. CA Intermediate subjects are divided into 2 parts, Group 1 and Group 2. Group 1 has a 3 subject, which is accounts, advanced accounts, law, and taxation, which includes direct and indirect tax. Group 2 is costing, auditing, and FMSM. Each paper carries 100 marks. Exam pattern in CA Intermediate is 30 marks is case-based MCQ and 70 marks is descriptive questions. But MCQ doesn't carry any negative marking. What is the passing criteria? Passing criteria is that you have to score minimum 40 mark in each paper and minimum 50% aggregate in each group in each attempt. You can appear in both the group of the CA intermediate and can aim for the rank also. Let's talk about the entry in CA final. After completing foundation, intermediate, both the group you have cleared, then you can register for CA final. To register for CA final, you should ensure that your information technology and soft skill course is completed and also cleared both the group of CA intermediate. To actually appear in CA final, you need to complete your advanced information technologies and soft skill course. You should have completed all the sets of self-placed online module. You should have completed your 2 years of articleship. Only after satisfying all these conditions, you are eligible to sit for the CA final exam. So let's talk about the subjects of CA final. Again, CA final is divided into 2 groups. Group 1 carries 3 subjects. Group 2 also carries 3 subjects. Group 1 has 3 subjects, which are financial reporting, advanced financial management, advanced auditing. In second group, you will find direct taxation, indirect taxation, and integrated business solution. Exam pattern is similar as what is there in intermediate. Out of 100 mark paper, 30 mark will be MCQ but carries no negative marks. It is a case-based MCQs and 70 marks is a descriptive. Passing criteria of CA final is you must score 40% in each paper and minimum 50% aggregate in each group. Now let's talk about self-placed online module. What are those? These are the main papers. A new scheme has self-placed online module, which is also called SPOM. There are 4 sets. Set A, corporate and economic law. Set B, strategic cost management. Set C, elective modules such as risk management, forensic accounting, valuation, and similar area. Set D is multidisciplinary or other elective module such as constitution and advocacy. So you need to clear this whole set before set A, B, C, D before appearing for CA final exam. Remember, you should qualify each module and at least score 50% of marks, and there is no limits of appearing in these papers online module. You can keep attempting until you clear this paper. Let's talk about the articleship. The articleship duration is 2 years. You can start this articleship training only once you have completed both the group of CA intermediate and integrated course and completed the integrated course on IT and soft skill. Once 2 conditions is met, you can directly register yourself for articleship. During these 2 years, you can work under any practicing chartered accountant or any eligible industry prescribed by ICAI. Towards the end of the training, you may also have an option to go for industrial training for around 9 to 12 months. There you can work in the industry instead of any CA firm. So let's talk about advanced integrated course on information technology and soft skill training. So before appearing for CA final, you need to complete this advanced IT and soft skill course. Now I will be giving a simple checklist of entire CA process. You can pause the video or take a screenshot of all the process. Now I think you got a clear view about the whole structure of CA course starting from school till you become ICAI member. This video primarily focused on step and structure of the course and not the strategy. So you can use it as a roadmap for completing this CA course. If you found this video very helpful, then save it for later, or you may share this video to any student who really confused about the CA course, and subscribe for more structured content on CA course. And if you're looking for a complete strategy to clear the CA exam of all the level, then do connect me for one-on-one mentorship. I will definitely going to help you about completion of the course and tips and techniques that help you to complete this CA journey. Thank you and best of luck.